Hey entrepreneurs, welcome to Digital Gigger.
Welcome back to Digital Gigger. Today, I'm going to share with you one of the easiest ways to make some extra cash, flipping items from Target to sell online. Now, you might be thinking, is it really that easy? And the answer is, yes, it is. In fact, I've been doing this for a while now, and I've made a decent amount of money doing it. So, if you're looking to make some extra cash, stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Step 1. Do your research. The first step in making money flipping items from Target is to do your research. You need to know what items are in demand, what the current market price is, and how much profit you can make. To do this, start by going to Target and scanning the barcodes of items you think you can sell online using a price checking app like Amazon Seller app or eBay app. This will give you an idea of how much the item is currently selling for online. Another way to research is to search for completed listings on eBay or Amazon to see how much similar items have sold for in the past. This will give you an idea of what to price your item for sale. Step 2. Finding items to flip. The next step is finding items to flip. The best place to start is with clearance items. Target typically has clearance sections for various departments, and you can find items marked down 30% to 70% off the original price. Sometimes the items are not marked, but you can use the price checker app to see if they are on clearance. Another way to find items to flip is to keep an eye out for sales and promotions. Target frequently has buy one, get one free sales or discounts on certain items. You can buy items on sale and resell them for a profit. One other place to find items to flip is in the Target dollar spot. You can find cute and trendy items for $1, $3, or $5 and resell them for a higher price. Step 3. Check for restrictions. Before you start buying items to flip, it's essential to check for restrictions. Some items, such as video games, can only be sold on certain platforms, while others, such as food items, have expiration dates that you need to be aware of. Make sure you are familiar with the restrictions before purchasing the item. Step 4. Listing the items for sale. Once you have found items to flip and know the restrictions, the next step is to list the items for sale. There are many platforms you can use, but I recommend eBay, Amazon, or Facebook Marketplace. eBay and Amazon are great for selling new items, while Facebook Marketplace is better for selling used items. When listing the item, make sure to include a clear and detailed description, including the condition, size, color, and any other relevant information. Take quality photos of the item from various angles and set a competitive price based on your research. Also, make sure to factor in shipping costs when pricing your item. Step 5. Shipping the items. When your item sells, it's time to ship it. Make sure to package the item securely to avoid any damage during transit. You can purchase shipping supplies at Target or online at sites like Amazon. Be sure to weigh the package and calculate the shipping cost based on the buyer's location. For shipping, you can use the United States Postal Service, FedEx, or UPS. These services have different rates, so make sure to compare the costs to get the best deal. Step 6. Tracking your profit. The final step is tracking your profit. One of the most profitable and exciting ways to make money is by flipping items for a profit. It's important to track your profits if you want to know whether or not you are making money from reselling items. To maximize gains, understanding how much money is being made and when can be beneficial as you grow your business. There are multiple strategies for tracking your profit in the process of flipping items, researching trends in the marketplace, setting up sales tracking software, and keeping detailed notes about each item purchased can all aid in accurately measuring your earnings over time. Additionally, staying organized plays an important role in understanding what sells quickly and what takes longer to move off shelves, allowing you to make more informed decisions with future purchases. In conclusion, flipping goods bought at Target is a great way to make extra money. It requires minimal effort, only a few simple steps, and some creativity. With the right knowledge and a little bit of strategic thinking, you can easily turn an item or two picked up at Target into a profitable sale. With the right research and dedication to the task, you could even make this into a steady source of income. Flipping goods bought at Target provides an easy and lucrative way to make extra money. If you enjoyed today's video and have not already subscribed, do it now so you know when the next video is uploaded. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to join us for the next video.